One of the things that, with the group that I brought from Tacoma, Washington, that I'm hearing regularly in our discussions is increasing joy in mathematics. One of the things that mathematics teachers' circles do is give teachers an opportunity to re-engage in some of the things that brought them to mathematics, that made mathematics really beautiful for them. This is the problem-solving aspect. When people are forced not to just think of a formula, but to think of a context and to reason through a situation that they may not have met before. When I talk to people outside of mathematics, when you talk to business people, politicians, the things they always find so valuable, the things they want, are not necessarily that you know the quadratic formula or that you know Pythagoras' theorem, but that you can reason your way through problems and understand how to solve them, how to approach a problem that you may not have seen before, and how to take it apart, repackage it, and come to some conclusion about it. So this is one piece of this that's important. Problem solving is central. This is what often brings people to mathematics, and the middle school teachers often don't get enough chance to re-engage. And we want to bring, again, the Teacher Circle give a wonderful opportunity to really inspire people again, bring the joy back in mathematics, and the problem solving is so essential to this country.
Hi, my name is Hope Bugle, and I'm a math instructor at Gavilan College in Gilroy. It's a community college. Over the years, not only being a parent, but being a teacher at a community college where a lot of students come to us with not a lot of math knowledge, it's occurred to me that we need to put a lot of effort and time into making sure that our students are getting a really good foundation in the lower grades. So we're going to start a math circle in hopes that we'll be able to help build up the middle school teachers and their comfortableness and their ease with mathematics, so that when they present mathematics to the students, they're presenting it from a place where they're happy with it and comfortable with it, and instead of making the students feel that it's something that's difficult and a chore, that it's more something that's fun to do and enjoyable and something that's very doable. We're hoping that through the math circle, by encouraging problem solving and showing teachers, middle school teachers, that there's more than one way to solve a problem, that this idea will be conveyed to the students as well, and will make them good problem solvers, and they'll begin to enjoy mathematics, and they won't view it as something that's just memorizing and rote and just a chore, but something that's actually fun and enjoyable.
I'm here at the math circles because, one, I'm a principal of a middle school, and one of the things that I noticed was that my teachers really needed a camaraderie of people in which they can talk about mathematics, particularly problem solving, and I wanted to learn more about what math circles were all about. We have a partnership currently with a local university, Kennesaw State University, along with another school in metropolitan Atlanta, Pine Mountain, and then my school, Champion Theme School. And the three of us decided, the three institutions decided, why couldn't we get together and establish a professional learning community where all we talk about is mathematics and grow the teachers' content knowledge. So we flew all the way here from Georgia because we value mathematics, we value what teachers do every day, and ultimately we want that value to reach the classroom. Mathematics is a struggle in Georgia, and particularly at my school, particularly the critical thinking pieces of it. And I want my students to be able to have access and equity to all the choices in the world of what they want to be.
Um, Another important aspect that I find appealing is that they reach out to research mathematicians like myself and try to incorporate them, get them in touch with teachers, administrators, other math professors. So they incorporate all levels of mathematicians and try to build a community this way, which is very appealing.
I think that one of the great things about the Teacher Circle program for middle school teachers is that it encourages them to take risks in their classroom. What we would really like to see is that the middle school teacher who has a student asking a question, that the teacher is not afraid to say, I don't know the answer to that, let's think about it, or engage the whole class in trying to figure out what was just asked. So the whole idea of embracing problem solving and having an open attitude towards mathematics is, I think, a very significant thing about Teacher Circle.
Well, when I think about some of the reasons that I'm here and some of the things that I'm learning this week, it seems like a natural fit with what goes on in my middle school classroom. When I think about all the different kinds of learners that I have and where they are on the spectrum with their mathematical skills and abilities, this seems natural that you would bring together mathematicians and those that actually practice in the classroom with adolescent learners and work together to find ways to bring rich and rigorous and inquiry-based mathematical problem solving together so more students will achieve at higher levels.